So hello guys, my name is Shella Zibalindong. So for today is gagawa natin ng reaction video. Yung video ni Kasaysayang Pinoy titled Totoo nga bang ama ni Hitler si Rizal? Ang buong katotohanan, alamin. So at first, nang nakita ko yung video is na-curious ako. Kasi sa title pa lang nakaka-intriga na siya. And then nakita ko, napaisip ako. Sabi ko, wait, is it possible? I mean, Jose Rizal, our national hero, and then Adolf Hitler, the most infamous figure in history? Posible nga ba yun? Parang hindi naman, diba? But still, dahil curious ako, pinanood ko yung video. So today is ibibigay ko yung summary ng video at yung mga insights ko about it. So according to Kasaysayang Pinoy, the goal of the video was to debunk or pabulanan yung teorya na nagsasabi na si Rizal daw ay ama ni Hitler. So they started by explaining kung saan ito nagmula, and then apparently kumalat siya sa internet as a joke or conspiracy theory, pero may mga tao pa rin na naniwala doon. Then, the video used actual historical fact para ipakitang imposibleng mangyari yon. For example, sinabi nila ang timeline ni Rizal. Ipinanganak siya noong 1861 at namatay siya noong 1898. Meanwhile, si Hitler is ipinanganak noong 1889 sa Australia. So yes, may overlap ng years. Pero the distance, location, and the circumstances just don't match. Hindi nagma-match lahat ng yon. Walang historical records or proof na nagpunta nga si Rizal sa lugar kung saan ipinanganak si Hitler. The thing that I've liked in this video is it shows that this theory is an example of how misinformation spread, especially sa mga tao na hindi nagtitingin-tingin sa mga sources nila if it is legit or katang-isip lamang ng mga tao na kagaya nila. Honestly, I find the video really educational and entertaining at the same time kasi ginamit ni Kasaysayang Pinoy yung casual na storytelling style na madaling maintindihan ng mga viewers nila. Ang gusto ko sa video na to is hindi nila ginawang nakakatawa lang yung topic. They also made a teaching moment in which they differentiate the difference between historical research and a baseless rumors. For me, this kind of content is very important, especially sa panahon ngayon na sobrang bilis na pag-spread ng rumors, ng fake news through online. It also reminds us that we should verify or think critically sa mga bagay, sa mga articles na binabasa natin at sa mga pinapanood natin. Kahit sobrang interesting ng video or it's viral, it doesn't mean na totoo talaga siya. And you know what guys, this video also shows kung gaano ka-impluwensya si Rizal magpahanggang ngayon, na sobrang daming dekada na at century na yung dumaan. Imagine some people making up a story about him. Some are true, some are not, but still it proves how strong his legacy is. So overall, I really enjoyed Kasaysayan Pinoy's video. It is educational, it is fun, educational, and eye-opening. Although nakakatawa siya sa simula, but they used it to teach the viewers on how to spot misinformation. And it also great reminder that history is just not all about memorizing dates. It is about understanding facts, context, and truth. So guys, always be critical, always verify your sources, and don't believe in everything na nakikita natin through online, lalo na kapag tungkol sa kasaysayan ng bayani natin. So that's all for my reaction video. I hope you guys enjoy the video as much as I did. And that's all. Thank you. Bye bye. And peace.